Okay, we're going to talk about powers and exponents today. Just to go over some vocabulary, we had 3 to the 4th power. That 3 is your base, and the 4, which is it's up higher and it's smaller, that's your exponent. So if we look at this chart, we have 3 to the 1st power. That just means it's just 3. Okay? 3 to the 2nd power is 3 times 3. Notice that's not 3 times 2, it's 3 to the 2nd power, which means 3 times itself. Or we could also say 3 squared. Then you have 3 to the 3rd power, or 3 cubed, which means 3 times 3 times 3. 3 to the 4th power, which is 3 times itself 4 times, and so on. So if we had the example 3 to the 4th power, okay, that means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27 times 3, which is 81. So 3 to the 4th would be 81. Okay, so if we do this the other way, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 4 times 4 times 4. Okay, now we're just going to count how many times, or how many 2's we have. We have 2 times itself 3 times, and then we have 4 times itself 3 times. That's just another way to write this. It's a simplified version, and then we can simplify it even more by solving it. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64. 8 times 64 is 512. So this whole thing actually equals 512. One more example. We want to evaluate the expression if a equals 3 and b equals 4. So say we had a minus b squared. So they're telling us what a and b equal, so we're going to plug that in. So we're going to plug in 3 for a minus b, which is 4, squared. 3 minus 4 is negative 1, and that is still squared. Negative 1 squared really means negative 1 times negative 1, which is positive 1, because a negative times a negative is a positive. And that is powers and exponents.